FX1 has a number of different chart types that are available, including pre-built price charts, as you see over here on the right-hand side of the platform. And as you'll see when you open the platform, there's some loaded by default. Creating additional pre-built price charts is simple. You just use the Add Data wizard, and you choose the symbol that you're interested in, as you normally would if you were adding real-time data or historical data to your spreadsheet, except instead of choosing vertical or horizontal orientation, you choose that you want a chart display, as we've done here. And then you choose your data range specifications. So if you want 200 periods or so in your chart, you can choose from the 0, the current period, going back 200 periods. And then you have a frequency that you need to choose. You can either have tick level data, in which case there's no multiplier, or n-tick data, in which case there is a multiplier, the number of ticks that you'd like to be in each n-tick bar, as well as the other frequencies that you're used to working with. For example, 30 for 30-second data, you can change that to whatever you like. 5-second data. For bar charts, you need to have all of the price attributes selected, so open, high, low, and close. And that's basically it. Then you hit apply, and that chart is created for you. You see it here in the upper left-hand side. I'll go ahead and close the Add Data dialog. And that chart can now be placed into your tab groups, wherever you might like to have it, either with your other charts, or of course you can put them on other monitors or in any of these larger areas. We'll put it here so that we can have a better look at it. And you see that by default there is a pane on the bottom that displays the volume of the price series that you've selected. And again, this is 5-second data, so it's updating with 5-second bars. And now you can do various things like add any of the line studies that we have available. For example, if you want to add your Fibonacci retracements, you can add that for, say, that trend there. Very convenient and easy to do so. And you can also choose to add other indicators, both as overlays to the chart itself or into additional price panes. So for example, if we want to add the relative strength index, we hit OK, we get a dialog that lets us choose where we want to see it. We'll say add to a new indicator panel. We'll leave all the default parameters, but this is where you'd be able to change those parameters, like your look back time frame, for instance. We'll hit OK, and now we have our RSI in a resizable pane there underneath our price pane and above the volume pane. And we can also do things like change the chart type itself. We have many popular chart types, both point and figure, some of the other lesser known chart types, 3-line break, which is a rather interesting one, some of the equal volume type charts, and several different types of candlestick charts. And you would just choose that from this menu in order to change that chart type. Additionally, you can change any of the frequencies, so you can change any chart that you have currently selected and change that frequency of the data to whatever you like in nice, conveniently done buckets, so 50 ticks or 100 ticks. Same thing with any of the other frequencies. If you want 1-second data, you can have 60 or 2,000 periods, whatever you choose, with this very simple selection mechanism to make it easy to do that. You can also change the symbol, if you like, for any selected chart by simply choosing the symbol from that drop-down menu there. And so that's a quick overview of the pre-built price charts that are available within the FX1 platform.